Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best electric screwdrivers you can get right now. If you're looking for power, precision, and efficiency all in one tool, you're in the right place. We've narrowed down the top choices to help you find the perfect fit for any project, big or small. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Aeromax Electric Screwdriver. The Aeromax 70-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, a powerful tool designed for precision and convenience. Perfect for repairing everything from phones to laptops. This smart screwdriver is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. The SES Ultra boasts an impressive torque force, doubling its output from 2.0 kgf.cm to 4.0 kgf.cm. It features 5 selectable torque modes, ensuring the right power for every job. Users will appreciate the dual buttons that allow for easy toggling between clockwise and anti-clockwise actions. This screwdriver is compact and lightweight, weighing only 62 grams. Its ergonomic design ensures a solid grip, while the pin-shaped size makes it easy to carry. The SES Ultra runs on a powerful 500 mAh LiPo battery, increasing efficiency with 280 revolutions per minute, allowing you to tackle over 900 screws on a single charge. Charging is a breeze with the included magnetic stand, which securely holds the screwdriver while powering it up. Users can also charge it directly or inside the box, with a dynamic display to monitor charging status. The Aeromax 70-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set combines advanced technology with user-friendly design. It's a reliable companion for all your repair needs. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient tool, this electric screwdriver is worth considering. Second product on our list, Worx WX242 Electrical Screwdriver. The Worx WX242 4-volt Electrical Screwdriver Set. This smart cordless screwdriver is designed for home DIY enthusiasts. With its compact design and powerful features, it's a must-have for your toolkit. The WX242 boasts a maximum torque of 8 Nm, making it suitable for various tasks around the house. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this screwdriver ensures you have the energy to complete your projects without interruptions. The brushless motor enhances efficiency and durability, providing consistent performance. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is its 30 included bits. This variety allows users to tackle everything from furniture assembly to electronic repairs with ease. Plus, the USB rechargeable feature means you can charge it quickly and conveniently. You can trust that the Worx WX242 meets quality and safety standards. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly screwdriver, the Worx WX242 is an excellent choice for your home improvement needs. The Aeromax Mini Electric Screwdriver is an excellent addition to any toolkit. Its efficiency, advanced torque settings, and user-friendly features make it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Third product on our list, Xiaomi Mijia Compact Screwdriver. The Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver, a versatile tool for all your household needs. With a 3.6V rating and a powerful maximum torque of 5 Nm, this screwdriver can tackle various tasks effortlessly. Weighing just 350 grams and measuring 124 by 130.5 by 42 millimeters, it is compact and easy to handle. The 2000 mAh battery offers remarkable longevity, allowing users to drive approximately 180 screws on a single charge. It features a no-load speed of 200 R/min and charges fully in 120 to 180 minutes via its convenient Type-C port. This means you can spend less time waiting and more time working. Its patented integrated design is not only functional, but also stylish. The screwdriver's ergonomic grip and durable materials ensure comfort during use. The innovative 3-speed reversing knob allows for one-handed operation, enhancing ease of use. This tool includes 12 high-quality S2 steel bits and a 60 mm extension rod, perfect for reaching tight spaces. With built-in LED lights, it illuminates dark areas, making it ideal for any project. The Xiaomi Mijia electric screwdriver is an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its blend of power, convenience, and design makes it a must-have in every home. Fourth product on our list, UF Tools Electric Screwdriver. The UF Tools 58-in-1 electric screwdriver set, a precision tool designed for delicate repairs. With a 3.7V input voltage and a 350 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, this set is ideal for tasks like repairing Xiaomi watches, mobile phones, and other small devices. It charges quickly, taking less than 70 minutes, and features a helpful LED light to indicate when it's ready. The idling speed of 200 RPM ensures smooth operation, while the set's manual torque of 3N.m and electric torque between 0.25 to 0.35 N.m allow for precision whether using it manually or electrically. Its battery life is impressive, providing up to 1 hour of continuous use and a standby time of 30 days. Crafted from 6063 aluminum oxide with a sleek, durable gray finish, the set includes everything you need. From the aluminum alloy handle to the crowbar, degausser, suction cup, and more, it's equipped for all your precision repair needs. This compact, wireless kit is a must-have for any tech enthusiast looking for reliability and ease of use. Fifth product on our list, Deli Powerful Screwdriver. The Deli 4-volt electric screwdriver set is a powerful yet compact tool designed for a wide range of tasks. With a 4V rated voltage and a 2000 mAh battery, it delivers consistent performance for home repairs and assembly. Its maximum torque of 5N.m makes it suitable for tasks like furniture assembly, electrical maintenance, and even water installations. This tool offers precision and control with its 25mm screwdriver head and 4 torque adjustment settings. It can be used both electrically and manually, giving users flexibility in various working conditions. The dual LED lights are a handy feature, providing excellent visibility in dark areas, ensuring you can work in any environment. Charging is convenient with its Type-C interface, ensuring faster and easier recharges. Additionally, the strong magnetic adsorption and extension rod make it even more versatile, holding screws in place and extending reach when needed. For anyone looking for a reliable and multifunctional screwdriver, the Deli 4-volt is an excellent choice. Simple to use, durable, and efficient.